What's up, everyone? Ace Motorsports bringing you guys another video. Today we're just going to do a quick little walk around on all my bikes. So this is the 1987 J-Arm Banshee that I picked up from, I believe, San Francisco. Picked it up for dirt cheap. It's a runner, has all the parts, rear plastics, actually has some pretty good parts, has a great seat, has a little bit of everything. But it's a complete bike, ready to go. I am still working on it. I feel like there's like some electrical issues with the CDI. I do have an extra CDI, so I'm just gonna get the kit so I could use the older, the round plug to the square plug. Let's see how many kicks till she starts. Oh shoot, almost one. Oh yeah, and look at, just pulled them all out from the garage. They're all cold. Let's get on it. Let's get on it. So that was 1, 2. So I gotta mess with the idle. That was what, like on the first kick it would have started, honestly. There you guys got 1987 J-Arm Banshee. Now we're going to my most recent pickup, was in Las Vegas. If you want to believe it or not, picked it up for 800 bucks. It came with cut plastics in the back that are right there, but I don't like the cut look. I went ahead and took off the motor from the auction Banshee, the 89, and put it on the, I think it's 97. Like I said, it has a really beautiful seat. I love this seat. I just finished getting everything together. Let's go ahead and hear her rip. See how many kicks. So this bike actually has bills pipes. I really like the sound of it. It's freaking loud. But imagine this bike with some super clean, turn it on. Quick rip. Imagine this bike with some OEM non-cut plastics and some nice decals. I want like the old school that have like Banshee written on them. I don't really care if it's like close to stock. I like what I like. Like you can tell, I took off the 89 lights and I put them on this bike. This bike will be red. It's my favorite color. And like I said, this bike so far, I'm starting to like it way more. If I could get the complete plastics new, this will be my favorite bike. No more that one. And let's go ahead and move into my 2001 Yamaha Banshee. This one has T5s. Not much work done to it, but I did do the upholstery on the seat, decals and everything else. This bike is super clean, other than right now, I haven't washed them, but this bike is super clean. This has been my baby for a long time. I'll never sell this one or that one. Maybe that one, we'll see how it runs in Glamis. Let's see how many kicks. Turn the choke on. As you can tell, like I said, they're all cold. I literally just pulled these all out from the garage. Let's see how many kicks. First kick. No fucking way. This one actually takes 2 or 3 kicks, but there's my 2001 Yamaha Banshee. If you guys been following me around, that is my baby right there. That's my pride and joy. Like I said, 2 T5s, all of the silencers, brand new tires on it. This is like considered my tuner. Even though it needs a lot more work, this is considered my drag setup. Still needs a lot of work. I'm getting ready for Glamis. That one's the fun bike. This is the baby. This is my first bike. This is what actually started everything. And let's go to the 2003. Let's take a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2002 Yamaha Banshee. Got this one on the blue plastics. I did everything myself, which was upholstery, decals. These are the OEM plastics. This bike, fuck man, I really like this bike. I bought this one from a guy who sold his LTR, the Suzuki, the Quadzilla. I got that bike from him and like 3 other bikes all at the same time. Dirt cheap. I'm not gonna say how much, it's kind of embarrassing. but let's give it a try. 1, 2, 3. It's gonna choke on. It's been a long time since I started this bike. Like I said, cold. They're all cold. Come on. Okay, it's on. Hey, what's going on with this bike? There's I haven't started this bike in at least, I don't know. Come on. I took them all out because I bought some like storage thing, Harbor Freight, 30 bucks, because I will be putting all the Banshee parts that I will be selling on that shelf. So like I said, I got Tumies, shocks, shrouds, boxes and boxes of carbs, more carbs, cases, solenoids, stators. I got a bunch of things that will be up for grabs real soon. But there you guys have it. Quick little walk around on my Banshees. This Banshee right here, everything you see will be up for parts. Hit me up, Ace Motorsports on Instagram. All of that will be for sale. Maybe those Tumies will be up for sale. Got plastics for Raptor 660s. Banshee, cut plastics up there. More plastics up there. Like 3 or 4 boxes behind the American flag of pure Banshee parts. A lot of these bikes will be up. I mean, I'm sorry, not the bikes. The parts will be up for sale. I'm completely done with this bike. If you guys do know anybody that has red plastics that are not cut, hit me up. I'll give you a finder's fee. You guys know about that? You guys know what's up. But I'll shoot you guys a finder's fee for finding me some plastics. I'm willing to pay some premium dollar for some plastics. I know how the market is right now, guys. But yeah, just a quick walk around. You guys like Banshees, give me a thumbs up. I'm gonna have a bunch of content. I'm gonna be cleaning pipes, my Tumies. I went to Cantamar, that's in Mexico. I went to Cantamar for like a week. I went out there in my toy hauler and we sat there for a week, and my pipes got fucking gnarly. They're fucking filled with like surface rust and shit. So I'm gonna be buffing them out, cleaning them up, getting them look all shiny and clean, doing the rest to all the bikes. Like I said, guys, lots of content of Banshees. You guys like Banshees, let me know. Also, like today, I do like some stupid shit, like put the plastics on, clean the carbs. If you guys want to see more of that, drop a comment down below. I feel like it's a waste of time, but if you guys want to see that, let me know. I'll do videos. It doesn't take much effort to do videos, but let me know, guys. Ace Motorsports, we out. Take care.